Hi, my name is Des Byrne from ProductWorld. Today I'm going to talk about how the specification phase in the business-to-business supply chain is the single biggest determinant of future revenues. And I will show two examples from ProductWorld customers on how to improve the specification phase. A business in the B2B supply chain occupies a unique position because, unlike the end consumer of a product, the purchase of your type of product is mandatory. It is not discretionary. Your type of product must be chosen. It must be selected and must be purchased by the next company in the supply chain. This is a huge differentiator between the end consumer of a product and companies in the earlier phases of that supply chain. The point of specification and product selection is really important, primarily because this occurs much earlier than the product purchase and is often hidden from view. For example, if an architect has selected your product, then the installation contractor must purchase products according to the design. The contractor has no discretion. So the real questions from a B2B supply sector are, who will the selective supplier be and which products will be chosen? That is what ProductWorld is all about. We are about helping you with the next step in the supply chain, getting your architects, specifiers, engineers or designers selecting your product and giving you advance notification of that intent so you can have an influence. To demonstrate, I have two examples. ACO manufactures smoke and CO alarms for professional installation. For ACO, we've created a series of tools to support specification, installation and service. And as Abloy, I manufacture security systems. For as Abloy, we created a series of mobile and tablet apps for their sales team and security system specifiers.
So in both cases, the buying process is very similar. The product is specified by a trade professional. It could be an architect, it could be an engineer. The product is installed by a contractor, and the product must be purchased from stocking wholesalers or distributors. On the user's point of view, again, the tools that we've developed are used by different types. There's installers, architects, specifiers, sales staff, and buyers. And some of these people can be really highly knowledgeable and they just need quick access to products, product link documentation, etc. And then others actually have a very low knowledge of products, don't really understand the product range very well, and they need to be guided to a solution.
ACO manufacture carbon monoxide and smoke alarms. Because their product is a safety device, their industry is regulated and the specification of alarms must be performed by competent professionals. In a bid to simplify the specification of an alarm, we created an alarm specifier, which creates an alarm specification based on a series of decisions taken by the engineer or architect. To start, a property type is selected, in this case a 2 to 3 story house. Then a smoke protection category, we have selected the highest level LD1. A power and backup option is chosen, followed by an alarm type, an alarm interconnection methodology, and finally accessories are chosen, and in this case a person with hearing difficulty lives in the house, so that is selected. Once complete, a specification can be downloaded and included in the drawing files for the house. The second example is Asa Abloy, who manufactures security systems. Asa Abloy wanted to create a portal app for their sales team and partners. This app is available to download from the US Apple App Store and Google Play. Two main types of users were identified: experts who needed quick access to product information. These experts are used to Asa Abloy's security continuum and could pick a relevant category, e.g. wireless products, look at the relevant information and add to a favorites or project list. Whereas non-experts would select the Guide Me section, where they are guided through a series of steps. An access control system is selected, for example Weekend, followed by security credentials. A power source is chosen, a battery, and a specific feature, narrow style door, was selected. This is filtered down to 2 different products from 2 of their portfolio brands. The projects list contains all projects worked on by the specifier. And lastly, a partner portal is embedded into the app for quick and easy access to relevant content. Both the ACO and Asa Abloy apps incorporate ProductWorld analytics, which give both companies advance notice of their customer specifiers and contractors' intentions. Thank you for listening.